Good morning, Northland. Dave Mazzola here with Johnson Ford in New Richmond, Wisconsin. Today I'm bringing you a used 2021 Ford F-150 XLT with a Powerboost 3.5 liter V6 engine. What does that mean for you? That means that vehicle is going to give you 430 horsepower, 570 pound-feet of torque, pull up to 13,000 pounds. This one is equipped with a crew cab, 6.5-foot box, remote start, tonneau cover. It does have the tailgate release by remote. Inside it does have the dark interior, power sliding rear window. Up front, driver, passenger are going to get power seats, heated seats, large LCD touchscreen. Go ahead and pair your devices, either Apple or Android. Only 30,000 miles on it. You get the remaining factory warranty plus certified. So you can get a 7-year powertrain warranty or 100,000 miles and a 12-month, 12,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. Give me a call at 715-246-3673. Make sure you ask for Dave Mazzola.